Hey, how you guys doing? I'm Christopher. Guy behind the camera is Jake. We're both getting over being sick.
Yeah.
We feel great. And we're here at Fastlane Classic Cars.
Yeah, it's up there on our building. I'm going to stick a phone number above your head in case they want to call us. Look at it, write it down. It'll be up there for a second. And then it disappears, and now we're on the like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Yes. Click the bell, too, because then you get notified when we make videos, and then you don't have to come searching for them.
Don't you want to click that bell?
We'll just send them right to you. They'll go right in front of your face.
That's the kind of people we are. We like to send things to you. Well, the year I graduated high school, ladies and gentlemen, is the year this car was made. 1990 Corvette.
And then 9 years later, I was born.
All right, Jake. No one wants to hear about it. Anyway, here it is, 1990 Corvette, 5.7 liter, 6-speed manual. It's got the Targa top. Doesn't have the glass. It's got the painted, which is way better as far as I'm concerned.
I like the painted, especially with the teal. You kind of want it to be painted because look at this sweet color.
It's a St. Patty's Day special.
With the tan interior. Absolutely love it.
It was called Saddle back in the day. I was doing some reading.
I'm sorry.
Look at this beautiful spoiler. Wow. There's very nice chrome tips in the back.
Nice wing, cool looking exhaust.
It's not one of those, so you can look at it, but it's not one of those. It's got a Z51 performance package, at least that's what it says. It's only got 24,000 or so miles on it. Not bad at all. Look at this beautiful plush interior. It's very nice.
Everything in here, all the plastic looks brand new. It's got a JVC head unit, although I think we have the original radio back there.
Is in the back, which the JVC is way nicer. I mean, let's face it.
I love the brushed or the polished wheels. Yep. I think those are brushed or polished.
Absolutely. And they're the original wheels, and it's got the unidirectional tires, but they're new. They're not the ZR40s that came with it, the Gatorbacks as they were called. You know, this is a great car. Have you seen, did we pop the hood?
I popped the hood for B-roll.
Well, then I guess we don't need to pop it. Although I do enjoy it.
But you know where the trunk release is?
Oh, I do.
Do you want to show the people?
Let's show the good people.
Open up that. I'm going to see if I can see it through the glass. There's a yellow button in there. Yep, I can see it. Oh, look at that. Yellow button in the center console pops this, and it's on struts.
Struts.
Goes up real easy. You got compartments back here for storage. We got the floor mats, like I said, the radio, Delco GM speakers. And then these little tabbies here are for the Targa top. When you slip it back here, they clip into those.
It fits pretty solidly.
Doesn't rattle around and everything. That's the gas cap.
Oh.
Right there in the middle. It's got a little Corvette piece of felt right there.
Gotta love felt.
Very
Premium
nice.
only, guys.
You ready to do a startup?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's do it. Here's your mic, good sir.
Thank you.
Let me fall into this.
Yes. Come on in. The water's great.
Yes, the water is fine. And look, power windows.
And I love them.
And power locks as well.
Did you put the brake on this one?
Nope.
Oh, you lucky guy. I think this is not my first rodeo, if you will.
Rodeo drive?
Too bad we can't drive there, but the weather's better.
Yeah, it's a little chilly today. We're going to have to let this car warm up. I like the, let's see if I can actually see it. All the digital gauges, and the fuel in the middle is digital. You have a lot of gas, plenty of gas.
Plenty of gas.
We also have all these buttons to see your fuel economy and your range, your trip odometer, all the resets and stuff. Your HVAC controls right here in the middle, and real buttons. Very easy to use, very nice. Oh goodness. That fan speed down.
Yeah.
And then the JVC head unit down here, really nice.
Is that a tape player?
There is a tape player in it.
Oh my goodness.
And a CD player up here.
Oh, stop it. You can dual.
You could play anything you want.
You can dance if you want to.
You can dance if you want to. In the middle here are some cup holders. They're kind of shallow and narrow. 1990s cups will fit in there, but probably not the 2024 cups.
No, not the big Yetis.
And then we got a cigarette lighter, in case you want to take up smoking, kids.
Kids.
Don't smoke. Don't smoke.
Oof.
But you have the option.
You do have the option to smoke, but I suggest you don't. Boy, this really shifts nice. It's like new. It really, wow.
Well, it is now. Does the horn work? Of course it works.
Sounds like a little foreign jabber, but it's nice.
The 6
Shifts
speed's nice.
Real good.
You have the little lockout here thing you have to pull to get it into reverse, so you don't accidentally slam it into reverse, which is nice. Everything in here looks brand new.
Drives nice too.
It's
really
tight. Nice and tight. Oh goodness.
You always get nervous around that turn with me.
Well, you take it so
funny.
fast. You got your glove box here, and we have the owner's manual and everything in this little Corvette bag. And all the lights work. When you open the glove box, that comes on. The under hood lights work when you open the hood.
Really like this.
Everything. Oh, it's like a felt liner on the Targa top.
It's like velvet. It's beautiful.
I do like that it's not glass.
I do too.
Because sometimes the sun glaring in is kind of annoying in the glass Targa tops, because I had one.
Yep.
And it was a little bit annoying, but I like the painted one. Because if you want it off, take it off.
Exactly.
But if you don't, you want to be secluded.
I cracked mine. Oof. That was expensive to replace.
Oh, goodness.
But I did, because it was still around those times.
Right. But with the windows up and everything, this thing's quiet.
It's really quiet.
It's subtle. I like
surprised, actually.
Comfortable.
Very,
good
very
car.
comfy.
It rides really nice for a sporty car.
It does. Tons of fuel in it. Shifts like butter.
We have 201 miles of range according to the dash there.
Which is impressive for a Corvette.
Yes.
Start putting your foot in it, probably won't be that good. But hey, you know what? It's a Corvette.
I'll tell you what, I'm feeling the heat. It's getting a little too hot in here. I'm going to turn that a bit down.
My goodness.
It works though. That's good to know.
Which is great.
Let's see. Radio works.
Wonderful song.
Can't play it though because of copyright issues.
Doggone copyrights.
Doggone copyrights. Dang it, YouTube. I want to listen to Usher or wherever that was.
I don't know what it was, but it sounded okay through those beautiful speakers.
Yes, the AC Delco, or is it just Delco? Just Delco speakers.
Delco.
Now, mine was a 95, and by that point, I had Bose speakers in mine. But the Delco ones sound really good. They were mounted exactly the same, but mine were Bose. This is nice. To take the Targa top off, you have these bolts back here. There's one there behind Bill's head, one on the other side.
Show the tool if you want.
And then there's two, one on each side on the front. Yeah, the tool's in here. It's that little ratchet thingy right there. It's actually pretty easy to get on and off though. I took it on and off in the booth, obviously, when I did my pictures.
You had to.
I mean, it doesn't take very many turns to get them undone, and all the bolts stay inside the Targa top, so you don't lose them loose somewhere.
Thank goodness.
Which is nice.
Thank goodness.
And as you can see, this is where all your warning lights would show up if this car had any, but it doesn't because it's a perfect nick.
I love it.
Oh, look where we're at. Stop
I
sign.
see. We got it pretty quick too.
Did a little bit of a bean test.
Not much of one, but a little bit.
A little bit. Oh, goodness.
Here she comes.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
It's torquey.
35 miles an hour.
No more.
No less.
That definitely wasn't 68.
Thank goodness.
I like the digital dash, though. That's pretty cool.
It is neat. For the time,
You got all your coolant temp, oil pressure, and everything right there in front of you where you can see it. And your tack on the left side there. Very nice. How much horsepower did you say this made?
245.
245.
It's a 150 mile an hour car. It really
It
is.
doesn't weigh a whole lot.
No,
It's all
there's no weight
fiberglass.
to it. No weight to it, so it's not going to rust, people.
Nope, it's not going to rust. All right.
So, are you ready to do a flyby?
A flyby. Sure. I got to clip this to my shirt.
Ooh, she performs rather nicely for
This
a
thing looks like it
19.
handles on rails.
Oh, it does.
It's got wide tires.
It's got very nice wide tires, and I just put the emergency brake on, which, you know how these work.
Yeah.
You pull them up and you push them down. It's so crazy, but that's how you get in and out of it. Why don't you take it for a drive back, Jake?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.